So, hopefully now this is a little more. You can listen to this a little bit better. Oh, never mind. So, just do that. Alrighty. So, I've been messing with my audio all morning. I was just messing with it even right now recording this, but this should be the final product. I'm having a lot of volume issues, so either I'll be speaking and my audio will just drop off completely, or when I watch something back, it's super quiet, and I don't want people to have to turn me up to max volume because you wouldn't have to do that with anybody else. So I'm really just I was been tweaking a lot of stuff. I used to use Blue Sherpa for my audio mixer, and now that's gone. And now it's Logitech G Hub, and all their presets were really messing with my mic and trying to noise cancel the end of my sentences, and that was just causing the mic to drop off my audio. So I fixed that. I've gone through and I've done so much tweaking on stuff. I bought a mic stabilizer for that issue, so my mic is just barely out of shot right now, right here. Like, I'm literally almost touching it now. um, so that's something that I've been working on. Additionally, I'm about to do a transition into a Pokemon video that went wrong. I used a GoPro to film it. The GoPro was filmed pointed at the ceiling. That kind of ruined that. So what you're gonna see is me just going through the pools and syncing up the audio from my mic to that, just to get a new angle on like video editing for me to be able to switch cameras. I'm actually thinking about buying another camera potentially, just because I'd like to have like a camcorder, because the GoPro is cool for stuff that if I was doing stunts or something like that, that'd be awesome. However, right now it just doesn't seem very feasible for what I'm doing. Because it gets really hot really fast, and it just doesn't have the real capabilities that I want it to have. So I'm hoping that coming up here shortly I'll be able to get one of those. But for now, we're gonna use the GoPro and the webcam, and we'll see what happens. So here's gonna be that transition time. So let's back up here. Alrighty, and just like that, you're part of me. What was gonna happen was I was gonna open these Pokemon cards, but the camera wasn't working right, so now we have this. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go through some of the pools that I got and go from there. So this is just some other stuff. So we got EV VMAX, Eternatus V, Togekiss VMAX, Jirachi Amazing Rare, Careless Trainer, Frostmoth, Shiny Rotom, Aggron, Ducklet, Cinescorch, Gramble V, Genesect, Cinescorch V, Shiny, Zarude V, Dracozolt V, Yveltal, Weezing, Zekrom, Jolteon, Dedenne, Snorlax, Swampert, Lucario, Inteleon, Dusknoir, Arceus VMAX, Oranguru, Octillery, Urshifu VMAX, Eevee, Raichu, Houndoom, Empoleon, Lucario, Reshiram, and Zekrom GX, and Dusknoir. So, hopefully, after the 5th try, this actually works properly, because if not, then I'm just gonna go back to square one, because this is honestly becoming very tedious today. Hopefully I'm able to just edit this together in a comprehensible fashion, and we'll get something good out of it. Alrighty, so we're gonna put you back up. Alrighty, so my intro and outro might sound a little bit different because I was still even tweaking with audio afterwards. This is Kenma, by the way. He's just chilling. He hopped up in my lap. Uh, I think he can tell that this is stressing me out a little bit. But basically, I'm hoping that this works. This audio setup, everything. Um, it's not picking up my fans, which was why I had the gain so high to begin with. Yeah. So basically, I'm hoping to do a video every Friday. It's a little difficult for me right now because I've been working a lot just because I'm actually about to go on a vacation with my family. I'm about to move. Uh, so there's a lot of stuff upcoming that needs to be handled. Plus, I'm in school. So, just staying on top of everything has been my biggest uh, concern. But YouTube has kind of fallen to the wayside. It's definitely something that I'm passionate about. However, it can't be the forefront of what I'm focusing on because right now I can't make any money off of it because I just don't I haven't reached a wide enough audience for it yet. I'd love to do streaming more on Twitch, like playing Elden Ring and stuff like that. I want to do IRL streams, like cooking and stuff like that as well. But there's so much that goes into getting that far, and right now I don't have the means to just be able to plunge into something like that because I have two cats. Like I said, I'm about to move. There's a lot of stuff that has to be taken care of before all that can happen. However, I've made a lot of big changes recently. Like I've changed my major. I'm gonna go into my master's for film instead of becoming a doctor like I had originally planned because I've decided that that's something that I'm way more passionate about. I know that I have stories to tell and I want to give myself the best opportunity to tell the stories that I have. So I don't know what the next YouTube video will look like or when it'll be. Like I said, I hope that it's Friday. There's a lot of things that I could do potentially. Um, Friday, I know this week I'm gonna go get my hair dyed again, and I'm going to the movies to see the new Jujutsu Kaisen movie, which I'm very excited about. But I will have to see what happens during the week and see what all can be done for a video. So I'll see you guys then. Kinma and I say bye for now. Please go ahead and watch a different video. If you want, you can compare the audio from here to the audio in the Batman video and just tell me if it sounds better because it might not. I think that it does. It looks like it does based off of the way that the mic is in OBS, but you guys are going to be the ones that have to decide whether it's better or worse. So I will hopefully hear back from you guys. So I'll see you guys then.